Alright, so if you're trying to convert a video to an audio file on your Android phone, the easiest way to do that is actually to use Chrome. There are apps in the Play Store that could do this, but you all have Chrome already installed, and there's a free website called cloudconverter.com that can do this. Here, I can pretty much convert any file into any file type. And to get started, I can choose here what I'm converting and what I want it converted to. I'm going to go with video as the source file, and maybe something like, maybe MP4 as the source. I actually think the source setting doesn't necessarily matter that much, but the output file does. So for the output file, we're going to want an audio file, something like an MP3 for example. Then we're going to select the file from our file browser, or you could pull it from the camera app as well. I'll go to my file browser, find something I want to convert, and I actually don't think I have MP4 files here, but it shouldn't matter, so we're going to go with an MOV file instead. Then I'll hit Convert, and the conversion begins. This will take a while depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, and once it's done, I can hit the green Download button to download the audio file on my phone. And here's my audio file in an MP3 format, just like I wanted it. It went to my Downloads folder by default, but I could choose to open it in a specific app if I wanted to, or I could use the Share button to send it to other apps, or send it to someone via text or email, for example. And that's how you convert video to audio. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.